And what was your assignment where you said that you earned $200,000?
Accumulation po yun, Your Honor, when I was the police attaché.
Ilang taon yun?
3 po, Your Honor.
Sa 3 taon, you were able to accumulate $200,000.
No, Your Honor.
Oh.
Apart, Honor.
Anong apart? Sinabi mo, meron kang $200,000 because you earned that where? Yun ang tanong ko.
Opo, Your Honor.
Oh, ngayon naman, opo ka na.
Ano nga eh?
Sinasama po padalas doon.
Kaya nga, magkano, Kernel? Tinatanong kaya magkano?
14,000 po yung...
Last na to, papakontempt kita.
Yes, Your Honor.
O, sino? Are you willing to be cited in contempt?
Yes,
can
Can you
share?
kindly give this to Colonel Commissioner Leonardo? Kilala mo?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Sino to?
Sergeant Jeremy kausapin, Mr. Chair. He's
Si
with the
Jeremy
CIDG.
Tox.
Kausapin,
correct?
Kausapin, yes, sir.
So kilala mo siya?
Yes, sir. CIDG po siya.
Okay, di naman. At medyo hindi ka na nagsinungalingan. Kilala mo to, GM Garma? Si Tox.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Yes, naka-assign to.
Yes, sir.
At hanggang ngayon, nasa PCSO to.
That I do not know, Mr.
Yeah, hindi mo na alam.
Hindi ko.
Yes, okay. Mamaya, malalaman mo. Anyway, so,
Chairman Fernandez.
tapos na po to.
Okay, thank you.
Si Colonel Bilela.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Colonel Bilela, are you the owner of Noy Pitts Bar?
Part owner of one of the Noy Pitts,
Yes.
Mr. Chair.
And you know that being a part of the Noy Pitts Bar will entail millions of dollars.
No, Mr. Chair.
How much is your participation on those Noy Pitts Bar, who is so popular in Las Vegas, in LA, in California?
Just in Las Vegas, Your Honor.
Huh?
20% in Las Vegas.
20%. And how much is the 20% that you shared?
200,000, Your Honor.
200,000 what? Dollars?
Dollars, Your Honor.
Wow. And where did you get the money? $200,000.
From my salary as a police attaché, Your Honor, and my savings, Your Honor.
So, naging police attaché ka sa Washington.
No, Your Honor.
Saan ka naging police attaché?
In the U.S. West Coast, Your Honor.
Okay, did you put that $200,000 in your SALN?
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you kindly submit your SALN to us?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so those Noy Pitts Bar, no? That was established during what year mo to nabili? Yung mo?
2021, Your Honor, nung second year ko doon sa US, Your Honor. Hindi ko po nabili. Meron pong nagtayo po at mga kasamahan ko po, bali 3 po kami. Hati-hati ho kami.
At kayo, Colonel Bilela, dati kayong mag-asawa ni GM Garma?
Technically po, Your Honor, hindi po.
Ano, no?
Technically po, Your Honor, kasi ang sabi po ng court, declaration of nullity of marriage kasi yung sa amin. So sabi ng court, there is no marriage to speak of.
Void ab initio.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. But still, you are in contact with her. May anak ba kayo ni GM Garma? If I may, I'm sorry kung na-touch ko yan. Meron kayo anak?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anak mo si
Angelica, Your Honor.
Angelica.
She was our adopted, Your Honor. Legally.
Adopted?
Legally po.
Okay, adopted pala siya. Okay. Anyway, how many branches do you have? O yung buong 7 ba yan? 5 store?
Magwawalo po, Your Honor, pero isa lang ho ako nag-invest. Doon lang po sa Las
Yes,
Vegas.
because I asked my friends in the States, and putting up a business like this will entail you millions of dollars. Malaki Malaki yung Pinoy Bar, yung Noy Pitts Bar, and this Noy Pitts Bar is a a well-established na chain of restaurant. And that's the reason why medyo nagugulat lang kami that you were able to be a part, 20%, no? So maybe soon, Mr. Chairman, will be trying to find out, yung pag-apply din po nila doon sa United States about those incorporators. But for the meantime, Mr. Chairman, lastly, may driver ka ba na pangalan Dennis Manalo?
Wala po, Your Honor.
Taga Pangasinan?
Wala po, Your Honor.
Yes, so may resort ka? Ato, Colonel Villela?
Wala po, Your Honor.
Wala, okay, sige, wala. Wala kang condominium sa Amaya, condominium sa may Quezon City?
Wala po, Your Honor.
Wala kayo, ha? And even GM Garma, wala rin sa Amaya, condominium?
Hindi ko po alam, Your Honor.
Hindi mo alam. GM, meron kang condominium sa Amaya?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Ayun. Ko lang naman meron pala dun. So, si...
If I may, Congressman Fernandez.
sige.
Para lang GM Garma, magkano ba sweldo ng GM ng PCSO?
Yung salary lang po, parang salary grade 29, mga umabot po ata na, parang 300 noon. And then when I left, it's almost 400. Hindi pa po kasama yung board meeting allowances and mga draw allowances.
So PCSO General Manager earns roughly around, anong ballpark
I cannot
figure ka,
recall.
buwan-buwan?
Mga more than 300 siguro or
So
ganun
mga
po.
300,000.
Parang hindi ko na. And dung later part, parang there's an increase. It's quite high, Mr.
Hindi,
Chair.
but I was asking you kung ano yung salary grade nung ikaw ang GM.
29, I think.
Okay,
parang
salary grade
29.
29. And it seems na sa salary grade 29, parang ang dami mo masyadong properties. Meron ka ba ibang negosyo?
Meron pong farming yung father ko po. Ako po
Ano yung
nag-handle.
pina-farm nyo doon?
May mango and ano po, sa bukid po. And when my mother
mango
died,
farm.
yeah, and when my mother died, ako po nag-handle sa ano po lahat ng tatay ko, sa kanang mother ko, sa mga savings po nila and assets po.
So malaking ektarya siguro yan. Ilang ektarya yan?
Hindi naman po, Mr. Chair, tama lang. Ang bulk lang kasi ng nakuha namin is yung naipon ng mother kong jewelry because since I was 7 years old, hanggang college ko po, nasa ibang bansa na po yan. So medyo substantial po yung naipon.
If I may ask, are you married to Colonel Villela? Are you married to him?
We got married, yes, Mr.
And
Chair.
then legally separated kayo.
No, Mr. Chair, annulled po.
So, are you aware that he's getting $200,000 as his salary as the attaché? Alam mo ba yon?
200,000.
Nung nagkahiwalay ba kayo, naghatian kayo ng properties?
Wala po kaming hatian ng properties, hindi namin ni-resolve.
Pero
yung-
meron kayo napundar na properties nung
Meron
kayo
din po,
nagsasama.
Mr. Chair,
Ano-ano
yes.
yung mga yan?
May bahay, may lupa, and then there's savings, Mr. Chair, kasi po, our marriage was 2008, and I think he also works sa America during that time. So, may mga naipon po, substantial amount, Mr. Chair.
Okay, sige, salamat. Colonel Villela,
Yes, sir.
where were you assigned?
Currently, Your Honor, I am the Deputy Director for Information Technology Management Service, Your Honor.
And what was your assignment where you said that you earned $200,000?
Accumulation po yun, Your Honor, when I was the police attaché.
Ilang taon yun?
3 po, Your Honor.
Sa 3 taon, you were able to accumulate $200,000.
No, Your Honor.
Oh.
Apart, Honor.
Anong apart?
Yung pong investment ko po doon, yung kalahati noon, naipon ko po doon. Yung kalahati
No.
din po.
Kanina tinatanong ka. Sinabi mo, tinanong ka ni Chairman Dan meron kang $200,000 ka mo. And you said that this was a salary that you were able to get when you were assigned in Cyprus. Were you assigned in Cyprus?
No, Your Honor.
Yung sinasabi mo kanina, in diplomatic...
In the United States, Your Honor.
So sa US. And you earned that much, $200,000.
Hindi po, Your Honor.
Oh, eh ano yung saan ang galing
Kalahati
yung
po noon, Your Honor.
So $100,000.
I am, our salary there, Your Honor, allowances.
Hindi nga yan.
8,000, Your
Alam
Honor,
mo,
per
Colonel,
month. 8,000 per month.
Ulitin ko yung tinanong ni Chairman Dan, ha? Sabi niya, meron kang $200,000, di ba? Is that correct?
Hindi po ang ganyan ang pagkasabi niya, Your Honor.
O sige, sabihin mo sa akin kung ano niya sinabi niya. Sige, sabihin mo sa akin.
Kung magkano po yung aking binayad doon sa aking share na 20%, Your Honor.
Hindi yun, ikaw naman. Gusto mo, Secretariat, can we get the records, the transcript during that time when he answered that question, ha? Colonel,
Yes, sir.
makinig ka, ha? Ang tanong sa iyo kanina, sinabi mo, meron kang $200,000 because you earned that where? Yun ang tanong ko.
Opo, Your Honor.
Oh, ngayon naman, opo ka na. Meron, totoong $200,000.
Opo, Your Honor.
Okay. Saan mo nakuha yung $200,000?
Yung kalahati po noon, Your Honor,
Oh.
sahod ko po na accumulated as police attaché.
Okay, as police attaché, $100,000. Kalahati, kamo, di ba?
Opo, Your Honor.
So, how much are you getting every month as a police attaché?
$8,000, Your Honor.
So, accumulation itong $100,000.
Yes, Your Honor.
Ilang years ka na-assign?
3 po, Your Honor.
So, sa 3 taon, naka-accumulate ka ng $100,000.
Opo, Your Honor.
O, eh yung $100,000 na extra.
Sa mga negosyo ko po dito, Your Honor.
So, lahat ito, in-accumulate mo in a span of 3 years.
Hindi po, Your Honor. For my...
Ang gulo mo kausap eh. Alam mo, ang gulo mo kausap eh. $200,000 lang pinag-uusapan natin. Huwag ka na lumayo doon. Eh, kaya nga ang tanong, saan galing yung $200,000? Sinabi mo, kalahati noon, galing sa sweldo mo as police attaché because earning $8,000 per month. Sabi mo, ha?
Yes, Your Honor.
Kasi i-accumulate mo yung 3 years mo as police attaché, ang ibig sabihin nun, kinita mo yung $100,000, hindi ka gumastos?
Gumastos po, Your Honor.
O, kita mo, ang labo nung sagot mo. Pakiayos nga, I just want to get the transcript, ha? Babalikan kita mamaya, Colonel.
Okay,
Sige,
Chairman.
sige.
Chairman, follow up lang ako doon sa mga years. Confidential short lang. Colonel, will the Chair allow me? With the indulgence of
With the
Chairman
indulgence
Dan.
of Congressman Fernandez.
Ganito po, kailan ka ba na-assign doon sa US?
2020 po, Your Honor.
2020 month. Anong buwan? Anong buwan?
August po, Your Honor.
August, so half of 2020. Now, when was the Noy Pitch was established? Las Vegas.
2021, Your Honor.
2021. Of what month?
Nag-start po, Your Honor, December.
December. Oh, December 2021. In short, from 2020 to 2021, yun yung na-accumulate mo in the 3 years of your salary and your allowances. Eto Oh, ba't matras ka? Tinatanong kita. Do you confirm? Kasi yung data mo is 2020 August, tama?
Yes, Your Honor.
Or you were assigned now. Yung Noy Page was established December of 2021. So ilang buwan lang yun.
Yes,
Tama?
Yes, Your Honor.
O bakit sinasabi mong half? Half of your salary.
I will submit the...
And then you're lying. Huwag kang magsinungaling, Colonel. Akala mo dito yung mga tao dito, yung committee bobo, na hindi pwedeng isa-isahin. You have said on record, when you asked by Chairman Barbers, that half of the $200,000 came from your salary. And your salary, 2020 August, you started there being assigned, and 2021, hindi ko pa sinasabi yung expense mo. Yung expenses mo. Paano magiging half of that? How can you earn 100,000 a month for just 1 year or less? You're lying.
Mahigit po, Your Honor.
Ano mahigit? Sige nga, kwintahin mo nga. Alam mo, yung 3 years mo, kung tama yung sinasabi mo, that's only 288,000.
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, I bet you started August August 2020 and December 2021, saka kayo bumukas. O yung expense mo, lahat-lahat. O who are those ano? Ito, Colonel, marami pa kaming tatanong sa iyo. If in the next topic, pag nagsinungaling ka, baka mapakontem ka.
I'm very willing, Your Honor.
Oh, you're very willing. Okay. Now, sino yung mga incorporators?
Mga...
Sino mga?
Ray Perez po, Your Honor.
Sorry?
Ray Perez and
Sino nga?
Lauro
Sino nga?
Calonzo. Ray Perez and Lauro Calonzo po, Your Honor.
Filipino.
Filipino-Americans, Your Honor.
O, saan address?
Doon po sila based, Your Honor.
O nga, saan nga doon?
Sa California po, Your Honor.
California. Saan sa California?
In
In where?
Los Angeles, Your Honor.
Saan nga?
Los Angeles po, Your Honor.
Oh, Los Angeles. Now, how did you know these people?
They were my brothers, paternity brothers, Your Honor.
Fraternity brothers.
Yes, Your
O,
Honor.
anong trabaho ng dalawa? Doon.
Restaurateur po si Mr. Calonzo, Larry Calonzo, Your Honor.
O, yung Noy Pits, di ba?
Matagal na po yan, Your Honor. 2013 yan nag-umsa.
2013. Pumasok ka lang 2020.
Opo.
2021, December.
Opo, nung mag-open ho sa
Sa Las Vegas.
Las Vegas, opo.
Oh, please. Eto Mr. Chairman, I move for Colonel Villela to submit his SALN in the year 2019 up to 2022, Mr. Chairman. When was the last year you were assigned in the US?
Last year, Your Honor.
When was that?
2023,
2023,
September po ako na uwi, Your Honor, dito.
2023 September.
Yes, Your Honor.
Also, you submit in this committee your SALN from 2019 to 2023.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Mr. Chairman, point of inquiry.
What is the inquiry?
Regarding dun sa $8,000 na natatanggap ni Colonel Villena, is this taxable in the U.S.? How is the money received?
Yeah, I believe so, Your Honor, that is a taxable, that is the gross amount of the salary that
Yung
is
ba
given.
yung buong amount o yun yung take-home mo, Colonel?
Buong amount yun, Your Honor, dito po inaano yon, binibigay sa amin. Pinapadala po doon, plus yung sahod ko po as a colonel, Your Honor.
So
Hindi pa
taxable
kasama.
yung $8,000?
Dito po, Your Honor, hindi po.
Hindi. So dito kasabay ng sweldo mo, pinadadala buo. Ganun.
Yes, Your Honor. Nandito po sa land bank po. Dito po
Okay.
pinapapasok.
Thank you very much. I just wanted to get clarified to that. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Congressman.
Mr. Chair.
Please proceed. And
Okay,
you have,
matatapos na ako. Okay.
Please wrap it up.
Colonel Villela, were you a former finance officer ng PNP as controller ng PD sa Iloilo?
No, Your Honor. I am the provincial director of Iloilo, Your Honor.
Hindi ka naging finance officer?
Never I was assigned in finance, Your Honor.
You were assigned?
No.
Never. Okay. Mahilig ka rin sa mga Rolex. May Rolex ka.
Meron po, Your Honor.
Ilan ang Rolex mo?
Isa lang po, regalo po sa akin, Your Honor.
Isa lang. Sino nagregalo sa'yo?
My wife po, Your Honor.
Yung wife mo ngayon. Okay. Kailan natin nabili to? Nung panahon na tayo nasa police attaché?
Opo, Your Honor.
Okay. So, basically, nabawas yung... anyway. Meron ba kayong property sa Samal?
Ako po, Your Honor, may lote po ako doon.
Meron ka sa Samal?
Dati po akong chief of police doon.
Sige. Gaano kalaki yung property mo doon?
500 square meters.
500 square meter?
Yes, Your Honor.
Kailan mo siya binili?
2014 ata, Your Honor. I cannot recall, Your Honor.
Okay. GM Garma, meron ka bang property sa Samal?
Meron po, Mr.
Meron ka
Chair.
din. Magkalapit kayo, correct?
Hindi ko po alam, Mr. Chair.
Ilang square meter ang lupa mo sa Samal?
Parang 700, Mr. Chair.
700. Lot, Griar, may lupa ka sa Samal?
Wala po, Your Honor.
Sure ka?
Yes, Your Honor.
Wala.
Wala po.
Sige. Commissioner Leonardo, meron kang lupa sa Samal.
Wala po, Mr. Chair.
Ikaw naging USEC ng DNR, di ba?
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
And that property in Samal was a protected area. Am I correct? Protected area yun, hindi mo alam? Sa Samal?
I think there are some areas
Correct.
that are protected.
Yes.
Mr. Chair.
And that's the reason why these people were able to get property there because of you being the USEC of the DNR before.
That's not true.
Of course, you
Your-
will not
Mr.
deny. You will deny it. I know. I know naman yan. Anyway. Hindi. Hindi. Are you adhering to my query that this is a protected area and that's the reason why during the time of your incumbency as a USEC of the DNR, you were able to scatter those properties to your friends. Am I correct?
That's not
Yeah,
true, Mr.
I
Chair.
know. I know that he denied it. Of
And
course.
I'm not even sure if that is a protected area, Mr. Chair.
For your information, that is a protected area. Part of it is a protected area. And it was converted. That's why they were able to have a property from that place. Dati akong committee chairman ng ecology and I know that. Anyway, so Mr. Chairman, for the meantime, lastly, Mr. Chairman, sa PCSO, ito na. PCSO, who is handling those money that are being given by the PCSO to certain foundations, like the STL Foundation? Sino? Anong department ninyo sa PCSO? Ma'am, please.
I believe it's the Accounting and Budget Department.
The
The Accounting and Budget Department.
accounting. Who is the accounting budget officer? Ano
She's
name?
here.
Sige ma'am, please. Yes, please answer.
Yeah, good morning po.
About doon po sa pera ng PCSO na dinala sa foundation ng STL that was given to Mandawi through the STL party list.
Per our records po, meron po kaming binigay sa Mandawi City the amount of 2 million para po doon sa typhoon victim
Yes.
ng Odette.
Yeah, at ang nagdala ay si STL party list Ibon Barondog.
Wala po akong alam kung sino
Hindi
po
nga,
ang
can you
nagdala.
kindly tell us, can you kindly submit to us all the money that was transferred from PCSO to the STL Foundation? Can you do that?
Titingnan ko po sa record namin.
Oh, tingnan nyo sa record,
Yes,
no?
and I will submit po. kung
Okay,
meron
submit to
kami.
us a certified copy of that transfer of money, to the STL Foundation.
Yes po,
Okay?
Your Honor.
So, we'll be expecting that, And, for now, Mr. Chairman, yun lang po muna. At I'll be asking questions in
Mr. Chair?
Okay, thank you,
In a while.
Congressman Fernandez.
Thank you so much, Mr. Chairman.
Yes, Congressman Akop.
With the indulgence of Congressman
Okay, Congressman
at
Paduano.
Chairman Akop. Colonel Villela, gusto ko lang balikan po. Ito last na lang to, Colonel kasi pag nagsinungaling ka, lalabas talaga sinungaling ka. Ito so magkano talaga? 8,000 ba galing dito? Yung salary mo?
Mahigit pa ho, Your Honor, kasi yung sahod ko pa ho as colonel dito, Your Honor.
Hindi, yung payslip mo, meron ka?
Meron naman po kami lahat.
So what is your gross? Gross? 8,000? US?
Yan po yung aming allowance as police.
Hindi nga, ang total mo ang kinikita. Ikaw, you're evading. Hindi ko pa nilalabas yung isang tao. O magkano talaga?
Yung 28,000, salary grade 28 po ng Colonel, Your Honor, plus yung aming allowance.
Magkano nga?
8,000 nga po, Your Honor.
Total.
plus yung sahod ko.
So less. May withholding, di ba? Magkano withholding mo? Kami dito sa Congress, we're just 32% nga kami. Mas maliit pang sahod namin sa kinikita mo. Magkano?
Hindi ko po memorize yung sa sahod ko
Nako,
po as colonel.
magkano ang pinapadala sa iyo? Na net. At sino ang nagpapadala sa'yo?
The Budget and Fiscal Office po ng...
Are you sure?
Yes, Your Honor.
Sigurado ka?
Yes, Your Honor.
O magkano? Magkano nga eh?
Sinasama po padalas doon.
Kaya nga,
Kasama po
magkano, Kernel?
14
Tinatanong kaya magkano?
14,000 po yung MOE ng office plus yung sahod po namin, Your Honor.
14?
40 po yung operating expenses.
Hindi yung sa'yo. Yung
8,000 po, Your Honor.
Magkano?
8,000
8,000.
dollars po.
O less yung 32% withholding.
Hindi po, Your Honor.
Bakit? O so magkano talaga?
Yun nga po, Your Honor.
O ba't wala kang withholding?
Ang withholding po, Your Honor, po sa sahod ko as Colonel, Your Honor. Yun po kasing allowance namin doon. Ito po yung aming...
Sandali. Sino yung next higher officer mo that time?
Directorate for... the Director for the Directorate for Intelligence, Your Honor.
O who is that the director?
Marami po, Your Honor.
Marami.
Pag-alis ko po,
Before you leave and on your first assignment, sino? Oh, but you're talking to Grijaldo. Alam niya ba? Mas alam niya?
hindi ko na...
Eto ha, Colonel ha. Last na to, papakontempt kita.
Yes, Your Honor.
O, sino? Are you willing to be cited in contempt? Willingly?
Hindi ko na po maalala, Your Honor, yung DI na pag-alis ko, Your Honor.
Pwede ba yun? Pwede ba yun di mo matandaan? Yung unang principal mo, nung na-assign ka, that was August 2020, as your statement. Hindi mo alam? Or you just evading because papatawag
No, Your
namin siya?
No, Your Honor. Hindi ko lang talaga ma-recall,
O yung
Honor.
yung last, before you're assigned here in the Philippines. Hindi mo rin alam? That was 2023, September? Hindi mo alam?
Si General Morico po, Your Honor.
General,
Major General Morico, Your Honor.
is he active until now?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anong assignment niya?
Ngayon po, Your Honor.
Siyempre, tinatanong ko yung assignment niya ngayon.
Director po ng Research and Development. Your
O, papatawag natin siya. Kaya mo, Mr. Chairman, papatawag yung director for what?
Research, Your Honor.
O, research. Major General Moreno. At the same time, makalimutin pala to si si Colonel Villela. Hindi niya matandaan yung principal niya nung time ng first assignment niya as a trustee. O, do you recall? Hindi mo ma-recall?
Pandemic.
Sinong PNP chief that time?
Si General Albayalde, Your Honor.
O, General Albayalde, nakita ko kanina. Gen Albayalde. General Albayalde, sino yung official niya that time?
Mr. Chairman, if he's telling when he was assigned sa as liaison officer of sa San Francisco po kasi dati yan naging linipat lang sa LA. Retired na po ako noon. I retired 2019, Mr. Chairman.
Oh, ikaw, Villela, pati si General Albayalde, sabihin mo na siya.
Retired na po ako 2019,
Ikaw,
Mr.
sinungaling ka.
Hindi ko na... Kasi siya ang nakapirma po, Your Honor, sa appointment ko.
Madali, ba't siya nakapirma? Retired na nga siya eh. That was August of
Process kasi
2020. Sandali, please wait to be recognized by the chairman. Oh, your assignment was August 2020. How come General Albayalde will sign your document 2019? Retire na. You're lying again.
Elaborate, Mr. Chairman. Opo, yung signature kasi, it will be signed and then it will undergo process kasi kiniklear pa po sa embassy yan. Matagal po yung process niyan, Mr. Chairman. So, naiwanan ko na po yun. Nung pagkapirma po yan, it's not after you sign it, assigned na po yun. Magkiklear pa po yan, they have to get their credentials and all.
Okay, we'll take in, Sir, Albayalde will take in. Now, question, balik ko lang, sino? Di mo rin matandaan. Nakatanggap ka ba ng order that time?
Yes, Your Honor.
O hindi mo tinignan kung sinong pumirma, sinong boss mo?
Ang na-assign po kasi ako ng Iloilo. After that, na-issuean po ako ng order January dahil pandemic po noon. Hindi na po kami nakaalis kaagad, Your Honor.
Ang natanong ko nga, you stayed there for 3 years, di ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
O hindi mo alam?
Marami po kasing DI, Your Honor, that time. And
Sino yung highest official ng PNP active here? Eto, Colonel, kasi medyo nakapagtataka. Anyway, Mr. Chairman, I move that we get the assignment of Colonel Villela,
naalala ko na, Your Honor, si General Agustin po, Your Honor. Major General Agustin, Your Honor.
Is he active until now?
Retired na po, Your Honor.
Retired. I move to invite Mr. Agustin in the next hearing. Para magkaalaman tayo.
Mr. Chair.
Comsec, please take note of the be invited resource persons in our next hearing. Retired Major General Agustin. Congressman Acop.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. I think we have with us today Gerald Benji Acorda, who also headed yung Directorate for Investigation. May I be allowed to ask some questions?
Yeah, please proceed.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. General Acorda, you were assigned with DI, Directorate for Intelligence, di po ba?
Yes, sir.
Yung mga sweldo ng ating mga attaché, police attaché, dumadaan sa DI.
Yes, Your Honor.
Di ba may diplomatic pouch yun na ipinapadala natin sa US kung saan naka-assign si Colonel Villela.
Yes, Your Honor.
Tama?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yung sweldo at saka MOE nila.
Yes,
Now,
Your Honor.
General Acorda, pwedeng dagdagan yun, di po ba?
To my understanding, Your Honor, yes, Your Honor.
Yes. Hindi naman perfect yung kwan na yun eh. Sistema na yun. Dinadagdag ninyo kung may pinapadala doon sa kanila na extra. Would you agree?
Yes, Your Honor, especially if there are some special occasions or visits and additional expenses that are incurred by our police attaché, Your Honor.
Maski personal na padala, po pwede. Would that be correct?
Personal, Your Honor, may I be allowed to check with our finance officer sa DI nun, Your Honor, kasi medyo hindi po ako lumaki sa controller and budget.
Nandiyan ba sa iyo? Kasama mo ba?
Unfortunately, Your Honor, I must be candid.
Pero nangyayari yun. Would you all agree, General Albayalde?
I have no knowledge on that, sir. I was never assigned in the DI at never assigned in Krame, sir.
But you became the Chief PNP, right? Kung
Yeah.
ako nga na hindi naging Chief PNP, alam ko eh. Bakit hindi nyo alam?
Probably personal, sir. Hindi ko po alam, but I'm not privy on that, sir. Kung meron po talagang nangyaring ganun.
Colonel Villela, meron bang pagkakataon na hindi lang yung sweldo mo ang natatanggap mo?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. Kanino galing yung hindi kasama sa sweldo mo at saka MOE na natatanggap mo through the diplomatic pouch ng Directorate for Intelligence?
Yung sahod ko po na dito, Your Honor.
Yung sahod mo?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. And magkano po yung sahod mo noon in terms of pesos?
120,000, Your Honor.
120,000. Mr. Chair, may I request the presence of Police Captain Anova here as a resource person?
Is Captain Anova present?
Do you know Police Captain Anova, Colonel Villela?
Yes, Your Honor.
And Madam Garma, do you know also Police Captain Anova?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Yes. And who is Police Captain Anova to you, Colonel Villela?
When he was PNCO, Your Honor, lagi pong nagtatambay sa akin, Your Honor. Lagi ko pong nauutusan ng errand, Your Honor.
Nauutusan ng errand. Nung
Opo,
siya po ay hindi pa opisyal. Tama
Yes.
po.
Yes, Your Honor.
And was he ever assigned as your driver?
No, Your Honor.
No. Pero hindi siya, yung mga errands, siya ang inutusan ninyo.
Pag may pagkakataon po siya, Your Honor.
Yes. Ang
Yes.
tanong ko lang naman kung nautusan mo eh.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. Madam Karma, was there ever an occasion na inutusan mo rin si Police Captain Anova?
Yes, Mr. Chair. Yes,
Ano
Your
po
Honor.
yung utos nyo sa kanya?
Mag-renew po nung ano ko po, LTAP ko sa firearms po.
Maglinis ng?
Hindi, yung sa LTAP ko po sa firearms. Siya
LTAP
po,
sa firearms.
nautusan ko siya.
Siguruhin nyo yung sagot nyo, ha? Nauutusan nyo siya.
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Chairman, can we take the oath of Captain Anuba, please?
Sige, Comsec, please administer his oath.
Mr. Nova, do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth in this public inquiry, so help you God? The oath has been administered, sir.
Okay, thank you. Please proceed, Congressman Akop.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Captain Anova, ang sabi ni Madam Garma na pag-uutusan ka lang na ayusin yung kanyang LTAP, License to Own and Possess Firearms. Tama po ba yun?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Meron pa ba siyang ibang utos aside from yung pagpa-follow up ng LTOP or License to Own and Possess Firearms? Meron pa bang utos?
Kung sa kanya, sir, rekta, hindi
Pakilapit.
po. Kung sa kanya po, rekta, sir, hindi po.